Hey guys, let's get ready for emoji. I'll put the emoji. Okay. My boyfriend is in town. My man is in town. My partner is in town, so we're getting our beauty maintainers from head to toe. I'm telling you, here we're waxing. Here, ready, back.
Into the cold, all these hoes for the street. I put it in her nose, it's gonna make her pussy weak. Pussy niggas cold, ain't gonna wake up at they sleep. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20-carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carat, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow, she a goat. Free band nigga, bring the rats in. Cap shooters in the corner like the pack in. She think Christian's at it, bitch, she attractive. That's that shit that get you put up at the section. And the model still the same. Ball like I won a championship game. You know these hoes hungry, they gon' fuck for a name. I put her on the game, she get fucked for a chain. Got your girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. Girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. I got twirl up in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. And we about to twirl up in this bitch, turn up in this bitch.
Hey guys, we are getting ready to. Hey guys, we are getting ready to go and get our wax. Let's get ready for emoji. I'll put the emoji. Okay. My boyfriend is in town. My man is in town. My partner is in town, so we're getting our beauty maintainers from head to toe. I'm telling you, here we're waxing. Here, I haven't waxed for I don't know for a very long time. So I'm gonna wax. I've put let me show you. I've like put this like I've exfoliated with this. See, still it's here. From here, I'm gonna give you an update. It helps brighten the underarms. I've also put it on my hoo-ha, and yeah, we're ready to go waxing. My waxing lady, I don't know, she keeps on changing locations. She was in before, she was in okay, now she's in there. I'll show you, we are going there. I'm gonna put her number here because one thing for sure she never changes is her number. So I'm gonna put her number on the screen, and this is the outfit of today for me to get ready. See, I have those. Okay, come on. Yeah, so let's go. We're getting our hair also today. My hair, guys, I've washed my hair, conditioned it, everything, and this is how it's looking. I'll put it in a ponytail. See, ponytail like in the back. See, well moisturized and oiled. So that's my outfit. I don't know if you can see my outfit. Okay, let me. I always hurt myself. I was closing a drawer, I was getting my panties, and then when I closed the door, it's painful. Almost forgot to apply my sunscreen, guys. Sunscreen lotion. If you see me with a white cast, it's my sunscreen. Yeah, yeah. You see? One thing for sure, two things for certain. Always wear sunscreen. Like if you can't afford, like, how I say, skincare products. Like being a woman is very expensive. So if you skincare concerns, because maybe if you haven't been wearing sunscreen for a long time, use it and tretinoin. And then when you use tretinoin, always or at night, use at night, and always tretinoin to correct like skin damage, like skin turnover. And then because most of my hyperpigmentation was caused by not wearing sunscreen, guys. I know, yeah. I've started wearing sunscreen religiously. Now it's the 2 years, 2.5 or 1.5. Yeah. So sunscreen. So those are the two things I can recommend. And then if you wanna like improve discoloration, vitamin C, so buy a sunscreen that has moisturizer. It doesn't have to be 50 pH, like broad spectrum 15 and up, you're good. Okay, let's go now.
Yeah.
Guys, finally I'm getting my hair done. Boho. Guys, don't mind my sunscreen. It's my sunscreen. So I'm getting my boho hair done. This is the style. I've gone with like different style. I'm gonna show you like hair Pinterest or hair of inspired inspired hair that I want. I've already washed and conditioned my hair, mask, everything. And just put them on a ponytail. We are going to get my hair done. If you wanna see how I washed my hair, because I've washed my hair here on YouTube for a long time. So follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to grow all my social media platforms. So follow me on Instagram. I'm always updating things. So go and watch like how I washed my hair, my 4C hair. It's like growing, it's coming together. But I've noticed when I'm used hair growth oil, I get like white heads. Like my white hair start coming through because we're not that old, okay? So yeah, watch that video or I'll put it here, but please follow me on Instagram, all my social media platform that will ever and ever exist. I'm gonna be going with the name Kemunto Bear, okay? And I'm so excited, and not anything like my boho. This is the hair boholess. This is 100% human hair. I got 18 inches. I think I need like, this is like 18-inch. So this is the hair extension, hair bundle for the boho. Boho. Got them in my Amazon store. Guys, I'm gonna put my Amazon store here. If you want them, or I also sell them. So if you want to, you can buy directly from me, or if you're in America, you can buy it on Amazon. It's easier for you guys. But if you're working in Kenya, unataka easy, let me know, naziuza. So you need like 2 packs. I'm so new to this, I did not know. So I got only 1 pack. This is the texture. And then guys, the style, I don't want to be like, I have like this, like I want a sewing braid and sewing combo. So I'm thinking maybe she'll control, like I'm gonna take the styles to her and then she advised me, but this is what I'm thinking, inspired. So maybe I get like Fulani braids and then the boho style, or I get like braids from here, like the front part. Sewing, of course, it's here, and I'm gonna reuse this. I forgot where I did a video about this. I got them last year, so I'm gonna use this kinky hair. This kinky hair I think is 22 inches. So, and then because you see it's straight, it's kinky, it's straight, I'm gonna tell her, like she knows, I washed it already, it smells nice, amazing. This was one, they gave me 2 bundles or 1, I don't remember well. So I'm gonna use this kinky texture style. This is, I think, deep wavy. So I'm gonna tell her to put like roll set or whatever, so that it can have the same pattern like this. You know what I mean. Then this is a weave part, so I want this sewing here. You'll see, guys. I hope I get the courage to vlog there. Hope I do get it, but that's what I'm doing. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but yeah, let's go. Let's just go. If you like this kind, watch this video. If you like this kind of videos, watch this video till the end. I have more wig plug salon videos here. So if you're ever in Nairobi, you know where to go, guys. And you know, I always plug you the real things where they are. So she's located, I'm gonna put the location right now. Okay, guys, I'd always tell her Kemunto sent you. Okay, let's go to the salon. Guys, this is Western Heights. Hey. Oh, Southampton. Okay.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so? Late nights and moments. Keep really in the moment. I let you had a moment. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so?
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like this. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Acting like you shy.
Shut it, save it, keep it, push it while you beating round the bush and knowing you want all this woman.
Pocket 'cause you
Yeah. All of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of my niggas saying you mad committed. Realer than anybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I need ass and titties.
So level up advice I can always give you, especially like when you want your man to see you, also for yourself, but also for your man, your partner, someone you care about. Presentation really matters, guys. So the three keys: hair should always be done, skin should always be good, and then makeup, and then outfit. But you should always have your hair done at all times. Like, it levels up your confidence, it just makes you feel so good. I've noticed, like, if I have my hair done, I'll shoot so many contents, I'll be like so willing to go outside. But when my hair is not done, I feel so down. And I just love having extensions on my hair, because I feel like my body proposition, my head is small, so I always want voluptuous Hollywood old curl style. So I have to have curls wavy, yeah, because I want my man to look at me, and when he sees me, to devour me, like eat me with his eyes. So I always want to look good for him, for myself also, and I just feel really good when my hair is done. And also nails, your nails should always be done. Yeah, so I don't know if I will be able to do my nails, because, guys, my hairstylist, and this is why I love my hairstylist, shout out to Lorette. Always save her number, guys. Always book her, because she's booked and busy. Huh? Always book her, because she delivers. I showed her what I wanted on her Pinterest, and she is very, very passionate about her work. I'll always go to her. Like, I gave her an inspo pic, and she did amazing. Like, Pinterest is always where I get my inspo pictures, or Instagram, whatever. And then I just save them, and then I ask her which style will fit my big forehead, and she said this hairstyle will fit you. And she does even better than the hairstyle. Like, this is what I ordered, and this is what I asked for. Like, it's even better, it suits my face shape even better. I love the weave. I've used it like 3 times. So if you wanna shop anything I've shown here, it's on my LTK shop. From now henceforth, I'm gonna link everything that I really, really love on my LTK shop, and I think you should, like, I can highly recommend you get it from there. I'll pin it on my comment section.
I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas on me, fire is die. Gotta watch the time, flying like light. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Hard still on javelin, baby. Two-turn. I feel like I love you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain.
No added cost. That's the full price of it. If you want anything for me to repeat, let me know. But we are moving, and you can see that we do not need to be, and you know, braiding to be full. So your color, and then this is how it's finish all the weeks. But let me premium this HD for me start again 1,000 as long. Which bag? I'm so tired, guys. I was not able to do all my routine. My nails are not yet done, but at least today.
I'm outside in that.
Hello, hi. I'm going to run there.